Alright, so I'm at Peters Canyon Regional Park in 360, so you should be able to see the sign right there. I'm on the RadRover. It has been a long time. I didn't start filming till I got here because I've got about 7.5 to 8 minutes to actually record on a single file. So it's 5:46 p.m. We'll try out the new tires. I've got the 45 North tires on, and they've never been off-roads. The virgin flight for these guys. I'm hoping most everybody's at dinner. Give me some open path. But one thing I've noticed right away is because this is not a Class 3, it's limited to 20 miles an hour. And pedaling really doesn't help you much. So you hit a wall at 20 miles an hour. It's all you. You just feel like when you're pedaling with your legs, you're just hitting a wall. This is nice. It's not that crowded, so we should be able to get some good. Let's downshift, get into a low gear. It's going up a pretty steep hill here. I'm not even pedaling. Tires are doing great so far. Help it out a little bit, slowing down. Get maybe a second gear. This is where this bike, you definitely can't do this on the cross current, but the rip current I would imagine is very similar to the Rad. It's a cool view right there. All right, so we're gonna try some stopping power here. Nice, stops well. These are quite knobby tires. This bike definitely behaves more like a motorcycle, is how it feels. It's a really steep hill. I got up there one time. We'll try it. I just want you guys to pan up that way. See how steep that is. Give it a shot. We're going to put it in first gear. So far, so good. Okay, there. We're kind of hitting a wall here. So far, so good. Definitely, if I weren't pedaling, I would not be moving forward here. But yeah, there you hear the battery kind of freaking out. Or the engine, I should say. It's going to zigzag. If you zigzag, they can't shoot you. Oh, come on. Feeling it in the heart. There's no way I could have done this without it. Oh man. Let's take a pause. Whew. Yeah, it goes that way. All right. Gotta make a U-ey. Yeah, this really maneuvers quite well. Now here when it gets steep and you're going downhill, you don't want to brake too much in the front and not too much in the back. we go. Get the second gear. This part's fun. I really wish the rip current were available. It's been selling out so well. And obviously by the way, my steering wheel, there we go. I keep it a little bit loose so when I'm in the garage at the end of a ride, I can just jack the handle like that without having to constantly fix this thing. That way you can easily park 2 cars in the garage. So I keep it firm enough so it doesn't get too crazy, but loose enough to where I can tweak it. And I have the suspension seat on. Now this is just my $20 suspension seat. It's not the nice one. We're gonna go this way. There we go. Yeah, and over at Rip Current, they have that Kinetic, I cannot pronounce it, I apologize, seat. Hopefully I'm going to try one of those soon too. These tires work really well. There's a rabbit right there. There we go. Nice. It's so comfortable. I'm doing what? 16 plus miles an hour. 20 miles an hour. Nice, caught some air. I mean, this is a 2-year-old RadRover. It's pretty impressive here. I'm trying to get it a whole lot higher gear. This is chewing right through. This is sandy dirt. Miles an hour, yeah. Okay. Wasn't sure if the chain was still on. There, check that out. Look at this view. Southern California. There you go. It's peaceful. Such a great ride. The rock and the gravel just plows right through. Here we go.